Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team tutorials. Today in my video I will take you how to remove thread comments inside your blogger's blogspot website inside the code area. So to do this I recommend you to back up every file inside your blogger's dashboard here. So you need to click on backup like this, and then that can help you to restore everything back. So if you have a problem or error inside the code. So now let's get started. First, you need to sign into your Blogger account, and then on the left hand side you will see the stream here. So click on that, and then this place we gonna see the drop down menu here, so go ahead and click on edit HTML. And this place I have two codes for you that to remove this, so you need to download it inside my video description below, and you have to find all of this code that look like this to remove it, all of this code, or delete all of this code. So to find that, you need to copy the first line of the code here, and then click in the side the code area here, and then press Ctrl F to open the search box like this, and then press Ctrl V to paste the code, and then hit enter to find it. And it should be have two different. There are two times to remove this, so you need to replace it with the two times of that. So it is starting from this one to this one, and this one to this one. So make sure that you have to remove it from the starting to the ending of the part. So now let's get check back again to clear you. Now if you see this, you need to select all of this part like this. Okay, and then you need to copy the below code like this. This is a below code. Copy that and paste it here instead of the code, and this one also that so you need to copy and paste it. Sorry, it is wrong. It's the ending here. So now copy and paste it like this. Okay, again. Okay, bf slash div. Okay, we have opening tag, closing in front of the code area. So if you see something that is red, it means you're doing wrong way. So now if you see something that look like nothing error like this, so go ahead and click on save. And now everything is updated successfully, and you are done now. So if you need some more information about it, so check out my description in the link below, and you will directly to my blogger's website, and you will see all information and how to do this. So thank you for watching.